Welcome to Jaguar Land Rover. My name is Jordan Rothrock. Today we're going to take a look at this 2015 Mustang GT with the 5.0 8-cylinder engine. This only has 37,000 miles and it is an amazing vehicle in amazing shape. Now, one thing that I like about it, it does have the proximity entry, which is always nice, and being a Mustang, it is a coupe, but it does have room for 4 seats with seat belts, which is always nice when you want to take the kids on a ride. Now, this does have plenty of room in the trunk, which is always nice for any storage needs that you may have. Now, this does have the performance package, which is what sets it apart. So it has additional gauges. If you take a look in the center there, now this is a rare find because it is manual transmission, 6-speed, which is hard to find nowadays. If you are interested in it, definitely feel free to come into the showroom or give me a call. Again, my name is Jordan Rothrock. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great rest of the day.